How can you spot a failing hose before it fails? The secret to longer engine life is catching hoses before they totally fail. Wait for the engine to cool. Never do this on a hot engine. The first thing that you can do, give it a squeeze. Squeeze it gently. Squeeze it. Firmly squeeze the radiator hose. A healthy radiator hose should be firm but slightly pliable. When you depress it, it should be pliable, and it should not be very soft. There should be some rigidity to it. If it feels spongy, if it is mushy, or if you hear a crunching sound, that indicates the rubber is deteriorating and needs replacement. So give it a squeeze and see how it is acting. It will tell you if it is going to fail or not. And with the engine turned off, visually inspect every radiator hose, every connection. If you have a blister or swelling, this indicates weak spot ready to burst. Look right here, for example, this is bulged out. If you watch closely, you can see some cracks developing. Cracks and hardening, those are indications of trouble. Look for small, especially parallel cracks, especially at the bends and connection points. This is often caused by heat and ozone damage. Now, this is a sign of trouble. And the other thing, look for any coolant leakage. It could be at these connection points. It could be at the connection points and somewhere else. Look for any leakage. Leakage should not be there. Look for any damp spot, chalky white residue, or some type of crusty buildup around the hose, around the ends and around the clamps. That is an indication of trouble. A failing radiator hose can collapse, leading to drop in coolant flow, poor heater performance, and ultimately severe engine damage from overheating. So most hoses are designed to last about 10 years or 100,000 miles, but regular inspection can help you pinpoint if there is anything going wrong. So that is how you can simply inspect the radiator hose.